longest 3 seconds in the world, that.
30.
Oh.
Rio. Nearly.
Hey!
Hey! Dinner's ready!
Ready.
That's fabulous, isn't it?
Dinner's ready! Go on then! I'm videoing it! Come on!
Why are you videoing me?
'Cause-
Opening a microwave.
Just bloody well do it!
I might wait with Jenny. Right, this is our new model microwave.
It's like that advert, isn't it? It's like the advert they have for them. What?
Yeah. Oh, don't you want now?
Don't kick the door in.
Boot it in, you know what I mean? If you get home and mum will boot you in.
Go on
I
then.
normally get that in.
You know you get duffed up by your mother anyway.
So is it nice?
Yes, it's fucking lovely.
You see, now I can't actually put that on You've Been Framed now,
Right.
because you swore.
And
Bollock.